So hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we'll be talking about the step function. So coming to the definition of this step function, AWS Step Function is a serverless orchestration service. It helps you to coordinate and sequence multiple AWS services or custom code into a serverless workflow. So you can use it to design, visualize, and execute complex workflows by defining the steps and the relationships, making it easier to manage and monitor the flow of your applications. So as you can see, it's just a drag and drop, which we'll be looking just in a few minutes. So before that, let's go ahead and create a Lambda function, and we can just drag those Lambda function and include the AR in there. So let me go to the Lambda. So here, if you want to find Lambda, you can just go to the compute and you can find Lambda. Click Lambda, and here, let's go ahead and create a function. So coming to the definition of AWS Lambda, it allows you to run code in response to various events without the need of managing the servers. So let's go ahead and create the function. So coming to the name of the function, so I'm using the documentation here. So I'll be using hello function according to the tutorial. So let me add the hello function, and that's it. That's it. Just go ahead and create function. Make sure you select author from the scratch and create the function. So once you create this function, you can add the code. So let me copy the code. So let's go to the code here, and let's wait for that. Okay. And here I'll be adding the code from the doc. Oh my, just a second. Yep. So I've added the code. So basically it's a greeting message. So once you pass this parameter, it will be like, let's say I'm passing AWS, it will be hello from AWS. So you just need to pass the parameter, which we'll be looking in a few minutes. So just deploy this one. And once it is deployed, and next go to the Lambda function, and let's go to the test, and here let's say it has flow event, and coming to the parameters event JSON file, let me change that, and that's it. Let's go test it, and you can see the output hello from AWS step function. So while it's working, let's go ahead and create a state machine. So let's go to the step function. So here you can find it in application integration. So step functions, click this. So once you're here, let's go ahead and create. So let me remove that. So you can see we have three sections here: design, code, and config. You can go to config and create, or you can add the code, or can design it. So let me add AWS Lambda here. So drag and drop. And here coming to API parameters, you'll be finding the function that we have created. So let's drop down, and here you can see we have got the function name. So that's it. Let me check the documentation. And yeah, one more thing, like if you click the definitions, you can find ASL, which is Amazon State Language. So this is the language. So I just remove that one. And apart from that, I think everything is fine for now. And it has been changed. So I think let's go ahead and create the machine. So let's click create, and we have AWS Lambda roles. Click confirm, and once it is done, then we can run the state machine. So you can start execution. It's done. So the rules has also been created. So you can view these IAM rules as well. And let me check if everything is fine. Yep. So let's go ahead and start the execution. And here I'll be adding the input from the documentation, which is AWS step function. So I'm just adding the code here, and you can change the name. So this is the default one. So you can change it accordingly. So once that is done, you can start execution. And it's done. Let's go to the execution input and output. You see, we have successfully our step function is working. So this is what I just wanted to show you, the basic introduction of step function. We'll be talking more about it in the further videos. So coming to this video, I hope you guys understood the concept of today's video. If you've liked the video, please click the like button below. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to my channel and please share the video. Thanks everyone.